What's happening, guys? Bob here, Rides Auto Sales. Outside doing it a little bit different today with T590. Nice machine. I've been using it, I don't know, we use it a couple of times to move snow. It's a good machine. Got a client that just wants a cold start, little drive around. I'm gonna have Corbin go ahead and fire this thing up, take it up over this way, give you a little bucket mechanics, whatnot, will have you, and then I'll do a walk around. Corbin, you can go ahead and fire it up. You're good, you can kill it. Give you a little inside tour. Almost died. Seat looks good, not ripped up, anything like that. Floor looks good. Pretty well maintained machine. Heat, AC. As you can see, it is a cold start. We didn't warm this thing up. How do you turn this thing off? You know how to turn this thing off? You know how to turn this thing off? Beautiful. Thank you, sir. Engine compartment looks pretty tidy. What's this?
Block heater.
Oh, it's a block heater. I'd be lying to you guys if I said I knew anything about these machines. From what I hear, tracks are where 70%, right around there. This is a material bucket on here.
Yes, sir.
Material bucket right now. We do have snow buckets as well, from 7 to 10-foot bolt-on edges. Nice machine, not too beat up. You can see, from what I understand, pins have all been serviced. I guess there is full service documentation on this as well. Just really don't know much about machines, trying to, you know, just be your eyes as well. I guess if there's other video you want on this, you feel free to get a hold of me. Anything I can help, you let me know. And that is, let me get over to the side so I know what I'm looking at. Bobcat T590. Outside at Rides Auto Sales, Bismarck, North Dakota. Any questions, comments, words of wisdom, feel free to shoot me a call, shoot me a text, shoot me an email. So I'd love to help you with your next purchase from Rides Auto Sales and Pro Carts as well. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.